Hello 7th class, how are you? I hope all of you are well. Today I am going to make second video. Second video is also on the chapter industry. Okay, industry already I told you. In industry we use raw material, and that raw material we transform into a good in a product which is more valuable. Okay, so that is industry. On the basis we divide the industry on four bases. First is their raw material basis: agro based industry, mineral industry, marine industry, forest based industry, then large scale, small scale, and then also on the basis of ownership: private sector, public sector, joint sector and cooperative sector. Little bit I am going to explain this one again. Private sector is mostly profit based. It is belongs to one person, so that person only he is only interested in his profit. If profit is there, then they open a industry. Public sector is owned by, run by government, and this is the welfare of the public. Okay, joint sector, when public and private sector work together. Best example is Maruti Udyog. Now cooperative sector. Cooperative sector, what is a cooperative sector? Cooperative sector, this is in this one it is operated by the producer or suppliers of the raw material, those who have raw material. It's sometime it started with 10 people also, sometime it's 50 people. Means like suppose dairy farming industry, dairy industry. Okay, in this what happened, some people have their small cattle farms, animal farms, some have big. So what they will work together. Everybody bring their product, milk product, main in dairy farming is milk product, and they bring everybody bring their milk there in one place, and they process some milk, they pack milk, they sell, they make cheese, so many things we will make from the milk. Okay, so that is cooperative industry. In cooperative industry it's not that much profit based, it is non-profit, it is no profit no loss. Okay, so and the profit they divided into equal parts. How much? Otherwise sometime if you will bring the raw material, then you have more profit. If you have less, you are bringing less raw material, you will get less profit. So it is based on how much raw material you are bringing in the industry. So this is called cooperative industry. Even then in the villages also, sometime people they start bank also. They put money, keep on every month, and if anybody need money, they will give on small rate of interest. Not like bank. Like bank, they charge 12%, 16%. But in a cooperative bank, they charge 6% less. So it is for the benefit of the village people, those who have started. So this is about cooperative sector. Now, which factors are important for the establishment of an industry? When we have to start our industry, first we have to think about some factors. Main important factor is raw material. Raw material means kacha mal, from where we get the raw material. If we don't have raw material, we can't survive, industry will not survive. So for the establishment of the industry, important thing is raw material. Industries normally set up in areas which are near to the required raw material. For example, sugar mills are located near area where sugarcane is cultivated. Why? Because if we keep the sugarcane for 3 or 4 days, its juice will get dry. So the value of sugarcane will go decrease. So same time sugarcane we will cut it, and then we will take to the industry, sugar mill. So for sugar mill we need sugarcane. For textile we need cotton. Okay, for mineral industry we need minerals. Okay, so like South India we have, even in Bihar, Jaria, Bokaro, we have iron and steel industry, even coal industry, because we will get there coal and iron. So raw material is the most important factor for the establishment of industry. Power means electricity. Sometimes electricity we use, sometimes we coal as energy we will use. Okay, so we need a smooth supply of power, because we can't, industry is that big, because if once power is gone, then we have to start it again. So the machinery have to warm up, so it will take long time. So we need smooth power, smooth energy will come. Second, labor availability of skilled and unskilled labor, that is also important. If we will not get labor, we also can't run the industry. Then fourth is transport. You also know it is very important to bring the raw material, to take the product to the market. So transport is also important. Okay. Then market where we will sell the goods, final product. If market is not there, then also industry will, after some time industry will stop or industry will shut down. So market is also the important factor for the establishment of industry. Capital means money, I have explained you. For to buy machines, power, first, because once if we will start today industry, it will not give us profit next day, it will take 1 year. So then we have to give up salaries from our pocket. So for the industry, capital, money is the most important. Without money you can't run even then single day. So you must have money, then you can run the industry. Then government policies, if they will, government will give some incentives in this area. If you will open the industry, we will give you some loans and some incentives. So government policy is also important. Now last one is water, because in industry we need water also. So some industry require water, even then in leather industry we need more water. If these industries are located near water bodies or places where there is an adequate water supply, then production cost will less, because then you don't have to bring the water from very far away. So these are all the factors which is responsible for the establishment of the industry. Thank you for this lesson. Thanks.